Hey everybody, Umar here for Architecture Daily Sketches. February is over and it's March at this hour, so it is time to announce the winners of last month's challenge. Thank you so much everybody who submitted an entry, and don't forget, after you finish watching this video, please do check out the hashtag Themodmin_FEB18 to look at all the other amazing entries. Anyways, I will start as usual with the honorable mentions, and in no particular order. The first honorable mention goes to Cesar.h_10, and you can follow him on Instagram. Again, this is another beautiful presentation from you. I'd really like to thank you because it's always a joy to receive a drawing from you and to share it with everybody as well. We see with each entry how much you improve, and it's so awesome to be witness to that, and I'm sure it's quite inspiring to anybody who sees this as well. We really appreciate your work. Congratulations and well done. Next honorable mention goes to Arifadullah, and you can follow him on Instagram. The hand-drawn medium is so great, isn't it? And this is quite amazing. Your control of the line weights and the values are really crisp in this. I really must commend you on that. And everybody, if you want a great example of line weight being used for contrast and depth, this is a really great example. And you guys should check out his original post, because I'm just afraid if this picture here might be a bit blurry on camera, so you can't really appreciate all the contrast. But anyways, check out his work. Great job and congratulations. The next honorable mention goes to Sergio Flores Campos, and you can follow this person on Instagram. I like this one because of how elements in this drawing have contrasting qualities. Like this big gloopy inky blob makes for an interesting counterpoint to the sharpness and jaggedness of this building, so that's really cool. If I can just comment on one thing, some of that ink or watercolor, I'm not sure, kind of bled into or over the edges of the building, and that takes away from the contrast. A really crisp edge would have made such an impact, but that's in my opinion, of course. Anyways, congratulations and well done. The next honorable mention goes to Hufeza_Male7, and you can follow him on Instagram. Now this is a very interesting digital entry. Such a creative idea for a composition. A collage to make the building look like a rising phoenix or something. I quite like how the section of the building forms part of the torso. It's really cool. Congrats and well done. The next honorable mention goes to Catherine Romero, and you can follow her on Instagram. This is a really nice series of sketches. The variety of mediums you're using, I can see there's like color pencils, it looks like some looks like watercolors, inks. That's really cool. Anyways, the variety of mediums you're using and your shading, especially your shading, helps make the images really pop from the paper. So to that, I really have to say congrats and well done. And the final honorable mention goes to Edge Arc, and you can follow this person on Instagram. Now Edge Arc submitted 2 entries, and both are very interesting. One has a more old school drawn vibe to it, and the other is very digital and diagrammatic. In this entry, he is alluding to the jagged rock formations around Denver, which is supposedly part of the inspiration of the form of the museum. So that's quite clever. And this other entry is very stylish, very minimal, yet very impactful as an image. So thank you for your entry, congrats and well done. So on to the winner of this challenge, and the winner is Hilman Rushdie, and you can follow him on Instagram. I literally only have one word for this review. Wow. That's it. This is the first time we had somebody win 2 challenges consecutively, and we usually try to avoid that when judging, but it's very clear that you are deserving. So congratulations and really well done. And that's it. To the winner, we'll be in contact with you shortly to arrange for delivery of your prize. Congratulations and thank you again to all that participated and submitted entries. And now on to the March challenge. For this month, we'll be requesting that you draw this building. The Sangath Studio by Balkrishna Doshi. Now very recently, the architect Balkrishna Doshi, or BV Doshi, was announced as the winner of the 2018 Pritzker Prize. arguably the most prestigious award in the field of architecture. So this challenge is meant to celebrate Doshi's achievement and his architecture, and that's why we chose Sangath Studio, which is his design studio that fully embodies him personally and also fully exemplifies his principles and approach towards architecture. Admittedly, I did not know of him before the announcement, but looking up his work, it is absolutely fantastic and so inspiring. So I really would recommend you guys to check him out and his work. Just Google it if you have the chance. So anyways, Sangath was designed in 1978 and completed in 1980, built around the edge of Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat, India. It is a series of sunken vaults sheathed in china mosaic within a rectangular-ish layout around a small grassy terraced amphitheater with artificial streams flowing through a complex system of pools, ponds, and troughs. Sangath is a complete expression of Doshi's architectural themes: complex interiors and structures, ambiguous edges, vaults, and terraces. The vaulted form this is a vault, by the way. The vaulted form acts as a unifying form in this otherwise complex design, but even within each vault, variety and richness is abound in the interior spaces that have different qualities of light, different shapes, as well as different uses. I mean, check out the main space of the complex, which is the drafting room, and the amazing quality of diffuse sunlight it has. It is such a poetic space. The vault's dominant presence are heightened with the clever interplay of dynamic interconnection of closed spaces from the inside and the outside, invoking a feeling of compression and release as you pass through the various spaces of the building. Truly, Sangath was designed as an experience, as Doshi himself is so acutely aware of context and nature, and has said that architecture is a symphony of nature itself, of lights, sky, water, and storm, within a story of life that is continuously evolving, changing, and searching. Now with that said, you guys are free to choose whatever view of the Sangath studio, be it exterior or interior, and to draw in any medium of your choice. And we really like to stress that we are very open to creative entries in different mediums. You can do models, 3D, digital, collage, anything really you can think of. Just be creative and have fun. So for our one winner this month, we have prepared a prize kit from both Alvin and myself. Thank you so much to Alvin for some of the prizes of this month. Do check them out and their great products in links provided in the description below. So for the prizes, this time we're giving away one copy of this book. It's brand new. It is 50 Architecture Ideas You Really Need to Know by Philip Wilkinson. And I stress that this is really great for students. It has a lot of nifty informations, a lot of summaries of Western architectural history, and everything is so easy to digest. It is small and light and will prove itself useful, I am very sure. Alongside that, we will also include one set of dramatic mechanical pencils by Alvin. Now, in order for you guys to submit your drawing, please include this full sentence so that we can find you. My submission for @arch_more sketching challenge #Themodmin _MAR18. It's very important that you guys include this whole sentence so that we can find your entry. You can submit your drawing on any social media platform like Instagram or Twitter or Facebook as long as you include this sentence. Please note that your account status has to be public in order for us to see your entry. You can submit through a secondary public account and that's fine. We will just be mentioning the account that you submitted with. For further clarification, we've included the submission method in the description below. To watch more videos, click on one of the boxes right here. If you're not subscribed yet, click over here and click on the bell icon so that you'll be constantly updated with brand new videos from us. And last but not least, leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching.